Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be testing, swatching, and doing a tutorial on this look right here on the Too Faced Erika Jayne collection. It is a super pretty, unique, and cool collection by Too Faced. We're just gonna jump right into it. If you wanna see swatches of the collection, then just keep on watching. And if you wanna skip to the tutorial, then just skip a little bit ahead. Mwah. So here are all the shades in the palette. And then there's a couple of lip products. There is a lip injections, and then there are two lip kits that come with a lip liner and a lip gloss. This first one is the Polite and Pretty lip kit. And this one is called the Define Sexy lip kit. And then we have the lip injections, which is a super glittery hot pink. The collection then comes with a highlighter. This is what it looks like on the inside, nice little dollar sign. So here's the yellower shade in the highlighter. And here's the more bronze shade. And then the final product in the collection is the Explicit Body Shimmer. I also want to mention that this is the cutest thing in the world, that all of the packages, of course I opened all of them, but all the packages had one of these like warning labels all around the whole thing, which I thought was so cute. So when you open the body shimmer, it comes with the big fluff, and it's just kind of like a super bronzy gold shade.
Alright guys, getting into the tutorial, we're starting off with some eye patches because I got some really nasty eye bags here. I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to shape out my brows and prime my eyes with it. Then we're going to jump into the Pretty Mess palette. I'm going to start off with this transition color in the crease of my eye. I just decided to go with kind of like a smoky eye for this palette. That was kind of what caught my eye the most. I'm then going to take this lighter pink shade and I'm going to use it as a transition shade. Once I've done that, I'm going to take some of this cream shadow and I'm just going to place that on my brow bone for some highlight. And then we're going to start off with this darker purple shade, and I'm going to apply that on the inner and outer corners to kind of start a better transition for the smoky eye. So I'm going to keep building that up until I'm satisfied with the color, and then we're going to go back in and add this darker burgundy shade all over the entire lid. It did come out a little splotchy, not gonna lie to you guys, but we kind of made do, and I kept going back and forth and just adding more shades on top to just make it as opaque as I could make it. So I'm just dabbing some more of that matte shade on and the shimmery pink, and then I'm going to add some mascara, take those little eye patches off, and then I'm using this really pretty burgundy purpley red eyeliner from Urban Decay in the waterline, and I'm going to use it also to tightline my eyes. And then I'm going to take the highlighter palette from the Pretty Mess collection, and I'm going to use this shade in the center, the dollar side shade, to highlight the inner corners and the brow bone. We're going to pop on some of the lower lashes, and then I'm going to move on to the face. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Illuminating Primer and then the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And then for foundation, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin One and Done Foundation. Hello, truck. And then I'm going to conceal with the Tarte Shape Tape as I usually do. And I'm just going to blend that out with a beauty blender. I'm then going to use some of the Laura Mercier powder to set underneath my eyes and in the T-zone, and then of course all over the rest of my face as well. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever bronzer. This is the Pro Bronze Fusion bronzer, and I'm going to bronze up my whole face. And then we're going to use this L'Oreal blush, and for highlight, I am going to use the same highlight that is from the collection that we used on our eyes. And you guys can tell that I am rushing like crazy in this video to get my butt on that train to go to the city. I'm then going to use this lip kit from the Pretty Mess collection. I'm going to line my lips with the pink add a little bit more of this Urban Decay lip liner, and then pop on that gloss right in the center. And that completed this look. I hope you guys liked it.
Another call, another kiss, after all, just a miss.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you always so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe here and check out all my other videos right here. Love you guys, and I hope you have an awesome day. Bye!